Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iRobot Roomba 205. A restart is just a simple power cycle. It's different from a factory reset. A restart will just be cycling the unit on and back off and then back on again. So in our case, let's take a look. There's multiple ways we can do this. We can do this within the iRobot app, as well as physically with the power button on the Roomba. Let's start with the mobile app first though. So we're in our 205 settings right here. So if you don't know how to get there, just search your robots until you find your 205. Hit the three dots in the top right-hand corner, and at the very bottom, there's a reboot the Roomba 205. So it says the process will take a few minutes. All settings will be saved and available once it's powered back on and connected to the cloud. So let's go ahead. Let's reboot it. Hit OK. Watch the lights. The lights just went off. The lights are coming back on. We should hear some startup music and such. But that's going to be the first way to reboot your Roomba 205 is within the iRobot app. A simple power cycle here. You can initiate it from your phone. Lights are going solid now. Powering on. That's going to be it. And you're off to the races again. Let's go ahead. Let's look at the second way. If you don't want to use the app, you can just hold down the power button to power cycle it on and off. So we're going to press the power button.
Powering off.
About 15 seconds in, we get the power off prompt, so I let go. The unit's off, the lights are off. You can just give it a minute. More time's not going to hurt it. And now we go ahead, let's press the power button again to turn it back on. The lights are illuminated, so I let go. And we just wait for the audio again, letting us know that the Roomba 205 is turned back on. So you can use the mobile app, you can use the physical buttons. It's up to you, but you'll have all your data and everything else. It's just a simple restart or reboot. It's not a full-fledged factory reset. Simple, straightforward, use the power button or use the iRobot home app.